Hi guys, how are you? Today I'm quite Christmassy because we're doing our countdown. Christmas countdown cocktail. We are using Aperol again. I'm trying to get rid of this, but I found a recipe which is like the wintery, like autumny version. Which for that I've prepped this beautiful ice cubes, which has star anise, apple, and in one of them I just put a cinnamon stick because I was just trying to test and see if it's gonna stay there or sink. Let's take our ice out. Ooh. Here it is, how it looks. Funnily, I haven't done a normal like Aperol spritz before, which today we're gonna do that. I've got my fancy stuff here, my bottle of Aperol. I'm gonna add, this is 7,500 ml of Aperol in. Ooh. Like the color? And I'm gonna drop my ice in before it's too late. And we're gonna pop this one open. Wait a second. Joke's on you. I'm not gonna open that fancy stuff. I'm gonna save this for Christmas. So today, again, this is not a classic Aperol spritz. I'm just gonna top it up with some soda. So let's pour that in as well. And we need to go for a rescue. How are we gonna keep it like that? I need some more ice. I'm gonna use my hands now. Santa's gone dirty. I'm gonna go on the bad list, so no present for me. Hopefully next year I'm gonna use less fingers. Yeah. So, ta-da! Here's our wintry fake Aperol spritz. Let's give it a taste. I'm afraid that I'm gonna poke my eye out with that stick, but it's okay-ish. It gives all Aperol taste, like because like it hasn't got anything else other than Aperol and some sparkling water. Actually, my sparkling water is lemon and lime flavored, so it's more citrusy for me now, which makes the taste of Aperol a bit more bearable. But if you're a fan of an Aperol, maybe you like it. But obviously, the actual recipe is with a proper bubble in. So if you have 100 ml of Aperol, add, I don't know, 150 ml of Prosecco in for sure. But yeah, I'm not gonna pop that open. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna come back with more videos. Stay tuned. And what else? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.